Hello, wildlife enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today we're venturing into the wild to uncover the secrets of one of nature's most magnificent creatures, the cheetah. Join me as we race across the savannah and learn about the incredible speed and agility of these beautiful big cats. Let's dive in. First things first, let's meet the stars of our savannah adventure, the cheetahs. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals on Earth, known for their sleek bodies, distinctive spots, and long, slender legs. They are the epitome of speed and agility in the animal kingdom. Cheetahs primarily inhabit the open grasslands and savannas of Africa, where their exceptional speed comes in handy for hunting prey like gazelles and impalas. These remarkable cats have adapted to thrive in diverse ecosystems, from the Serengeti to the Kalahari Desert. Now, what makes cheetahs such incredible sprinters? It's all in their anatomy. Cheetahs have long, flexible spines, oversized nasal passages, and specialized claws that provide traction like cleats on a running shoe. Their lightweight build and muscular legs enable them to reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour in just a few strides. Unlike lions, which live in prides, cheetahs are solitary animals, except for mothers with cubs. Female cheetahs are solitary hunters, while males sometimes form small groups called coalitions. This solitary lifestyle helps minimize competition for food and territory. Cheetahs are not just known for their speed, they're also skilled hunters. They use stealth and camouflage to stalk their prey before unleashing bursts of lightning-fast speed to chase them down. Despite their incredible athleticism, cheetahs often lose their kills to larger predators like lions and hyenas. Unfortunately, cheetahs face numerous threats, including habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Conservation efforts are crucial to protecting these magnificent cats and ensuring their survival for future generations. And there you have it, the fascinating world of cheetahs, the fast and the furriest of the savannah. If you found this exploration captivating, hit the like button, subscribe for more wildlife adventures, and share your favorite cheetah moments in the comments below. Until our next sprint through the wild, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of nature.